medium well. Sometimes in life we meet a person that never gets enough acknowledgement or credit, who unknowingly removes wilted leaves of the past, plants a compassionate seed, and provides nourishing enrichments to cultivate your soul, embedded. You encourage me to dance with my shoulders high, sing when it gets too quiet, and laugh when I'm emotionally distraught. Insist the dishes aren't going anywhere. Sit down sometimes. Straighten me out when I'm being too hard on myself, and provide insight on private thoughts. You listen and are not ashamed to accommodate my romantic needs. Hold my hand when we walk, open doors, protect. Secretly, I still get butterflies every time you reach your arm over to embrace me at the movies. Keep me motivated, forward-moving, and focused on self-improvement. God-fearing father, honest, successful, independent, provider, masculine, humble, respectful, and strong. What a real man should represent. I can only hope that you fully understand how grateful I am when you put the PS4 controller down for QT, throw something on the grill, make me a drink, fill your fridge with things I suggest, daily text calls, and a random surprise. Your catering ways I do appreciate and admiringly recognize. It's a beautiful thing to know someone who doesn't even know their worth. If select men were strings on a violin, I'd meticulously pick you first. Thank you for offering yourself with genuine, unselfish, and thoughtful intent. Now I realize, once you've had steak and potatoes, beans and weenies are no longer considered sufficient as a supplement.